Today I will soak the sweet potato plants in clean water mixed with liquid organic fertilizer. This is a styrofoam box with drainage holes. I took a 2-liter bottle and used it as a compost bin. I cut the top of the lid off to allow the roots to grow in. Then I punched holes all around so the waste would release a liquid that would act as fertilizer when composted. To make the soil loose and rich in nutrients, I mix the soil with rice husks and worm castings. Now I will fill the styrofoam box with soil and put the trash bottle in to plant the tree. I soaked the sweet potatoes for 3 hours and then planted them. After planting, I will water the soil with this sieve to help keep the plant moist. I put kitchen waste in a 2-liter bottle. Now that the seedlings have taken root, I add soil to help them take root faster. Now is also the time for the plant to be nourished. I add more waste. If I want the plant to grow quickly, I will mix organic fertilizer with clean water to water the plant. Well, now the plant is growing very well. I add more waste to increase the fertilizer for the plant. I continued to mix the liquid with clean water to water the plants. At this stage, mold and pests invade very quickly, so I mix garlic with clean water to spray on the plants. Yes, after 2 months I planted sweet potatoes and they have produced a lot of tubers. Now I will harvest them to make delicious dishes. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.